Another convenient way to interact with text is by using voice commands. To use the Smart Reading voice commands option, simply say, "Hey OrCam, Smart Reading," followed by what you want it to do. For instance, if you want the device to capture a full page and read the text, say, "Hey OrCam, Smart Reading, read everything." The device will ask you to take a picture of the text you want to read, and it will then read it all back to you. You can choose where to begin reading by saying, "Hey OrCam, start from chapter 1." Or, "Hey OrCam, read the headlines," to know which items are on a certain page. The device can start reading from a specific word. For example, you can say, "Hey OrCam, start from rain," and the device will find the word and start reading from it. To read an amount written, say, "Hey OrCam, find amount," and it will tell you the amount, for instance, in an online store. You can also find a specific word in a block of text and have the device start reading from it. This enables you to navigate through the text or pinpoint specific words or pieces of information, such as dates or amounts, and then have them read to you.